Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, ليقطع طرفا من الذين كفروا أو يكبتهم فينقلبوا خائبين. Translation: that he might cut down a section of the disbelievers or frustrate them so that they go back disappointed. In the previous ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that Allah helped Muslims in the battle of Badr with the angels, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped the Muslims for two reasons. Number one, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala willed that the leaders and the commanders of the disbelief and kufr are killed, and the other was that they are humiliated and they return without achieving any success. And that's exactly what happened, that they were killed. 70 of their men, including many of the leaders of Quraysh, were killed, and 70 were captured as prisoners of war, and the rest of the army at the time of Badr left disappointed and frustrated. In the battle of Uhud, the similar scene was created, and when the battle started, the disbelievers were clearly defeated. They were killed by Muslims, and 22 of them were killed, and they defeated, and they were running away, and Muslims were chasing them. But due to the weakness of Muslims, their own weakness, this success changed into the apparent defeat. When the Muslims disobeyed the command of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and left the mound of the Jabal Ramat, and Khalid bin Walid saw that opportunity and crossed that area, that gully that was there, and he and his men attacked the Muslims from behind, and Muslims were sandwiched between the non-Muslims, the disbelievers. As the fleeing away disbelievers also returned when they saw that the Muslims were attacked from behind, and thus the victory of Muslims changed into apparent defeat. It was not a clear defeat, as the disbelievers did not achieve their goal of destroying the Muslims, and when they were leaving, they felt that they have made a mistake and they should have finished Muslims, but it was late. And as we will inshallah study in the next ayahs, that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had great courage, and he was a great planner, and he followed the disbelievers, and that made the disbelievers leave towards Mecca, and they never returned back. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us get the guidance from Quran, get the guidance from the mistakes that were made by Muslims, and help us not repeat those mistakes. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.